Jai Gurudev. Today's topic, the determinants part 4. Earlier we have completed articles, demonstrative and possessive. Today we are going to complete quantifiers, interrogative and other determinants. So what is quantifier? Quantifiers are determinants that indicate how much or how little of the noun is being discussed. So which word it comes there? That all, few, many, much, little, some, any, no, enough, all, whole, each, every, either, neither, several, more, less. So we will see these words how we are using in our sentences. First rule, some and any. How to use? Some means an unknown and indefinite number or quantity but not very large. There is some milk in the jug. Any. Like some express an indefinite number or quantity but it is used in negative sentence. Rule is same but only one difference, that is it is used in negative sentence. Any is used in negative sentence. And sorry, I don't have any money. Any is used after hardly, scarcely and barely. Example, he has hardly any money. Then some and any can be used as determiners with countable noun. He brought some book yesterday. Some. Have you any idea where he has gone? Any. Some and any both refers to quantity and number. Any coffee, some coffee. Any pencils, some pencils. Little and few. Little is used with singular uncountable noun. Example, there was little hope of his recovery. Little hope. Hope is singular and it is uncountable because we can't count hope. There was little water in the jug. It is little means not much. We can't count 1, 2, 3 and for that it is uncountable. Few. Few is used with plural countable nouns. He has read few books. Books we are counting. For that it is countable noun, no doubt. There were few boys in the class. Few boys in the class, not many. Next, much, many and several. Much is used with singular uncountable nouns. You can take as much time as you like. How much money you can you give me? It is uncountable. Then many, how to use? Many is used with plural countable noun, which we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many books have you read? I have met many players so far. So it is countable noun. Several is used to refer to an imprecise number of people or things that is not large but greater than 2. Imprecise means lacking exactness or accuracy. It means how many people or things are there, we don't know exactly. So, example, they have been living here for several years. Several means slightly more than a few. Each, every. Each refers to every number of the group, considering them individually. Each boy was given a prize to everyone. Then every refers to all the members of a group, that not only some of them. Every refers to all the members of a group and not only some of them. Every man wishes to be handsome. Everyone, not single. Either, neither. these two words, you can say another pronunciation also, that is either, neither. Both are correct. But at the time you have to say only one pronunciation. See, either when we have to use, either we have to use for choices for positive sentence, and neither we have to say for singular and negative sentence. Either. When there are only two objects, we use either instead of any. You can go by either road. You could ask either of the boys. Neither when you have to use? We use neither to refer to each of the two things. Neither boy could speak properly, neither member attended the meeting. It is in negative sense. Then no and enough when we have to use. No is a negative quantifier, while enough means as much as you need or as much is necessary. Example, there is no audience in the hall. No means no one is there. They had enough money to buy a ticket. So whatever money he want, enough sufficient money he having in his pocket. Then both. Both plural, it means two. Raz and Ajay are friends. Both of them are in the same class. So Raz and Ajay, these are two persons, and for that we used here both. We both are watching TV. More and less, it is comparative determiner. More occurs with plural noun, while less generally occurs with uncountable noun. There has been more activity than usual. So here, more. These machines use less water than the old one. It is comparison with old. Till here we have seen how to use few and little. But now we will see a few and the few, a little and the little. How to use. Few means hardly any. It has negative meaning. Few men reach the age of 100 years. It is in negative sense, not more. Few people are free from faults. Few people. Then what is the difference in a few and few? A few means a small number. It has a positive meaning. Positive meaning, here what we said, few means it is negative, means na ke barabar, and here positive, it has some hope. He was asked to say a few words. I have a few friends in London. Then the few. See here, the few means not many, but all of them, means whatever are there, everything. He lost the few friends he had. What is the meaning of this sentence? This means that the friends he had were not many and he had lost all of them. Means whatever are there, everything he lost. The few books we had were very interesting. Next, little, the little and a little. So little means hardly any and it used for countable noun. It has a negative meanings. Example, they had little money to spend. There is little water in the pot. A little, it means some, though not much. It has a positive meaning. Same, but it is uncountable noun and here it is countable noun. There is a little water in the pot. She gave me a little food. The little. The little means not much but all that there is. The little food she gave me was not good. Means whatever food she having, everything she gave me, but it is not good. The little. The little money we had helped us to spend the day. The little money, not enough, but whatever it is that, it is sufficient to spend that day. Interrogative. Interrogatives are the words used for asking questions. What, which, whose. These words are asking the questions are known as interrogative determiners. What crimes are committed these days? Which house do you live in? Whose bill are you paying? Other determiners, numerals and ordinals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These numbers, it is numeral and ordinal first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Here we have completed our topic, but we will see in recap. The determiners comes before a noun. A, my, these, his, what, some. These are some determiners. A determiner specifies a noun as known or unknown. They give more information about the noun and put it into a context. Type of determiners. First is article. In article a and the. Possessive. My, your, are, their, his, her. Quantifiers. Some, little, many. Demonstratives. This, that, these, those. Interrogatives. Which words are asking the question? What, whose, which. Other determiners. Ordinals. First, second. Numerals. 1, 2, 3. Now time of homework. Write rules of quantifiers determiners which we completed today. Draw diagram of determiners. Learn all rules.